Hi everyone, this is Sarah at Sarabit. Recently, I found a new DeFi program, which is somewhat interesting. If you have watched my previous video, the one named What is Synthetic Asset, you'll probably still remember the project that I talked about, Duet Protocol. To better remind you, I'm going to quickly go over the introduction of the program. Duet is the world's first dual-channel pegging mechanism of synthetic assets, supporting over-collateralization and algorithm pegging. And I'm very surprised that the pilot experimental protocol from Duet Protocol has been launched, which named the Zerogoki. By the way, Zerogoki is a transliteration of Leigoki in Japanese, stands for the experimental model unit 00, and its token Lei is a pronunciation of the word zero in Japanese. Thus is a metaphor for a prototype. Zerogoki is a leveraged token minting platform deployed on Ethereum and based on an algorithmic pegging mechanism, which can provide users with leverage tools for traditional assets, such as foreign exchange, gold, and bonds. Users can use the platform token Lei to cast leverage tokens or use the protocol's synthetic dollar ZUSD to buy leveraged assets directly. It sounds quite compelling, so let's take a look there. In this video, we are going to figure out how to connect our wallet and add the tokens, how to buy synthetic tokens, how to mint synthetic assets by using Lei, and how to stake in the liquidity pool. Well, before I show you my screen, I have to clarify, Zerogoki just has the light minting model of Duet Protocol. That is, the synthetic assets are generated only by destroying the protocol asset Lei, and the volatile leverage tokens are chosen as the listed assets to increase the system test pressure. At the same time, the slower Ethernet mainnet with high cost is used to test if Duet can run smoothly in a harsh environment. Okay, and now you can see my screen. Well, first, let's go to the official website of Zerogoki, which is zerogoki.org. From the dashboard page, you are able to interact with Zerogoki, like check the token's price, the farming locked, the Z asset market cap, liquidity, volume, and so on. And the first step is to connect your wallet. For me, I use MetaMask. As I mentioned before, Lei is Zerogoki's core asset, which is used as a fee for synthetic leveraged assets. For every $1 of synthetic assets minted, $1 of Lei will be burned. Okay, and now I'm going to add Lei to my wallet. First, let us find the token's address here. Copy. And add tokens, custom token, paste. And next. Yay! And now you can see Lei in my wallet. Users are able to buy Lei and mint synthetic assets, so I'm going to buy Lei from the exchange page through the embedded Uniswap. I'm going to spend 0.005 ETH and get 5.74 Lei and swap. Confirm swap. Confirm the gas fee. Okay, the transaction got confirmed. So now let's figure out how to mint ZUSD using Lei. Mint and redeem. Just let me stake all the Lei that I just bought. And mint. Confirm. Yay! Okay, now I get 9.97 ZUSD. In fact, I could also destroy ZUSD and get my Lei back using redeem. I can also check my portfolio to see my total value, my holding value, my staked value. And Zerogoki has its farm as well. So I think I could stake some of my lei to provide a bit of liquidity and get some incentives. So I'm gonna redeem my ZUSD back to lei. Confirm. Okay, and go back to farm. Lei and USDT. Next. Supply. Confirm supply. Confirm. Okay, it get approved. So go back to farm, deposit, add my balance, add confirm. Yeah, and you can see my deposits goes up now. And I can also claim my rewards, like by simply click claim. Confirm. Yay. And you can see the claimable goes up. Since the ZUSD is a stable coin, like it will be always pegging to $1, there might be an arbitrage opportunity when it loses its peg. For example, when the current ZUSD has a positive premium, I could buy lei and mint it into ZUSD and sell the ZUSD to earn the price difference, and vice versa. Yeah, and I think that's all for today's Zerogoki adventure. And as it states, the project is experimental, so use at your own risk. Yay! So that's all for today. Do you want to explore more projects? I will see you in the next video. Bye!